The game plan is to use some treated 2x12s to make a simple frame that has 3 channels in it. So we're going to jam a bunch of 55-gallon barrels inside the 3 channels to make like a bootleg tri-tune. We knew our contraption was going to be pretty heavy, so that's why we added the 3rd tune in the middle. The top is just made out of 3 sheets of 3/4 inch treated plywood. After we got all the wood, we chopped it down to size and screwed it all together. We didn't use bolts or brackets or anything on the frame because that would make too much sense. We did bolt on a scrap piece of 2x12 to the back so that we actually had a place to mount the motor too. Speaking of motors, we got a 12-volt Minn Kota Endura, something like that. I think it's got 55 pounds of thrust. It was basically the most powerful 12-volt motor we could get our hands on. So we got the motor and hooked it up to a battery and then took our contraption out for a test spin to see if it actually worked, and it did. My brother actually came along. He's my arch enemy because he's my older brother. He's a good dude though. Click on the next video!